In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link pages using hyperlinks in Squarespace. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through the steps to effectively set up your hyperlinks, enhancing navigation and the overall user experience on your site. Let's begin by navigating to the Squarespace login page. Click on the login button to access your account. If you're like me and prefer keeping things seamless, you can click on Continue with Google for a quick and easy login experience. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Squarespace dashboard. Here you'll see a list of all your websites. Click on the one you want to work with today. Now that you've selected your site, you'll want to enter the editing mode. Look for the edit option, which is typically located in the control panel on the left side of your dashboard. Clicking on edit will bring up your site in a mode where you can easily make changes and add new elements. Next, it's time to add a hyperlink. To do this, you'll need to add a content block. Look for an option that says Add Block. This will allow you to introduce new content elements to your page. Once you find it and click, a variety of options will appear. You're going to choose Content Link from this menu, which is specifically designed for creating hyperlinks within the body of your page content. Upon selecting the Content Link option, a pencil icon will appear. This icon is crucial as it allows you to edit the link settings. Go ahead and click on the pencil icon and you'll open a window with several options. Now from the available menu, choose the specific page that you want to hyperlink to. This is key because it directly connects users from the hyperlink you're creating to the page you desire them to visit. Finally, with your page selected, all that's left to do is click on the Save button. It's essential to save your work to ensure that all your changes are successfully updated and are visible on your live site. Congratulations! You've just linked a page using a hyperlink in Squarespace. Linking pages effectively using hyperlinks not only enhances the navigation of your website, but it also significantly improves the user experience by making content more accessible. Remember, hyperlinks are a bridge between pieces of content, or even different websites, and are essential tools for web development. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, and that you're now more confident in using Squarespace to link your pages. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore other editing options Squarespace offers to make your site shine.